Greetings from Naples. Normally, you know me. I'm terrified of flying to the embarkation port at the same time with the start of the cruise, because I have this obsession with lost luggage, delay flight and missing the ship, and therefore I always try to arrive the day before. This time for my cruise of MSC FANTASIA was cheaper actually to spend 2 nights in Naples, one at the beginning and one at the end of the cruise. That was very easy and very clear. It was a little bit more difficult to find a hotel in Naples because there are plenty of hotels from 2 stars to 5 stars, but not all of them, they are part of an international chain. And normally I try to avoid independent hotels because of lack of consistency, if you want, in standards. The 5-star hotels, they are incredibly expensive for 1 night in Naples, so I decided to downgrade myself to a 4-star hotel, and I found an Italian chain, Una Hotels, and the hotel in Naples is absolutely beautiful, hosted by an old palazzo very close to Piazza Garibaldi, very central located in a nice area. Okay, the locals say that it's a little bit dodgy because it's next to the train station, but didn't spend too much time around anyway. But the hotel is absolutely beautiful, fantastic service at the front desk. The room is very, very nice. I choose the suite with 2 balconies, so I can enjoy 2 sunny days in Naples at Una Hotel.